how to fix Pokemon TCG Pocket not working. So one of the ways to fix that problem, we could go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and then what you're going to do, you're going to click search at the bottom, right? Go ahead and search for Pokemon TCG Pocket and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. If it didn't, what you're going to do, you're going to just go back to your screen and then go ahead to your settings, all right? And then what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead into your general, scroll a little bit down, and you're going to click transfer reset iPhone, and you're going to just go ahead and reset iPhone, and you're going to reset all settings, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're going to do, you're going to just check your internet connection. Sometimes you probably use a weak connection, so you can switch to another or powerful alternative connection that you can use to basically play play Pokemon TCG Pocket. All right, and on iPhone, what you're gonna do if you still face that same issue, go ahead to the general again, and then what you're gonna do, go ahead and scroll a little bit down to the date and time, and make sure that you select the date and time, or make sure that you set it automatically, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, go back to the general, and then go ahead to the iPhone storage, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down till you find Pokemon TCGP, and then you're gonna just upload the app. And by uploading the app, you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data or files within the app, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just double check if your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Alright, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.